guys saw the straight, now you're seeing the curls. And what better way than to just click the link and grab the wig. Let's get into this video, by the way. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Nadulahair for sponsoring this video again. Our new wig is in this box. We have an edge band, HD wig cap, a bag to store your wig, and this is the wig. So it's a 7x5 by knots lace wig in a yaki texture, 24 inches with color. We are gonna go and see. Now the hair is secure, of course. You see that lace? Are you guys seeing that lace? Yes, 24 inches with highlights in it, and I'm excited to do this wig. I already know I want to do a side part and I want to do curls and straight. Okay, now the wig is protected, and what I love is that it has a drawstring, so you can buy this wig, don't worry about your head size, it's gonna fit because the drawstring, that's why they have the drawstring for a small, medium, or large. All you gotta do is pull it to your liking, and then you are gonna bring this piece down to make sure it is secure and wrap it under, and that's it. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the lace. This is how it's looking. HD lace, see-through, which means it's gonna look super natural. And this is the tips of color. Now the wig also have the silicone built-in strap, which means it's gonna be locked in on your head. And I love the strap, the adjustable ear-to-ear strap, because this makes sure the glueless wig is glueless wig. Okay, so I really like that. It's adjustable so you can fit it to your size, so also that's extra security. 7x5, enough space to do a middle or side part, but we are gonna get into it, so let's get to install. Okay guys, let's get ready. Of course, we're gonna use a cap on our heads first, and I like to do the sleek back because I don't braid my hair no more. Then you pull it back so it brings back your hair. All right, so this is the wig. We're gonna fit the wig on before we do anything else, just to make sure everything is secure, it's placed right, and then do the drawstring. I like to pull it down on my head first and then fix around the back. So you have to make sure the wig is comfortable on your head. So however it's gonna look at first, that's totally fine. And then the first strap, I pull that down. I'm gonna draw the first strap before I tighten the drawstring. All right, so that's done. And then I'll show you guys the drawstring, but let's pull this up back because it was looking crazy. All right. Now let's do the drawstring around the back. So this is how it looks. This is the string. Make sure you pull the wig down to make sure it's secure. Pull it, lock it in, and then you're gonna tuck under. Now let's do this part. Something, I don't know, I have been loving the Yaki texture wig. So this is it. It was very easy to do. It is bone straight. Yes, just look at that. Now whenever you flat iron your hair, I suggest you use a little tip of oil if you have flyaways, especially if you don't go in. Sometimes you have some flyaways, just use a little bit of whatever oil, not too greasy, and just bring that down. That's what I did. Now this is it. It's spectacular. Can you guys see that? I want you to see the length of the hair. Oh, I love it. Nadula, you did this. The color is amazing as well, and it's popping for that spring summertime. I am definitely gonna add a little bit of curl, kind of bring it to the side, but this is how it looks. First, it was very easy to install as well. It's not going anywhere. I love the lace, the 7x5. I wanted to do a side part just to show you guys, like, not because the wig comes in a middle part you have to wear it in a middle part. It is 7x5 and it's very functional. Like, you cannot tell me this is a closure because it looks like a frontal wig. Now let's get into it. OMG, I love the color. Listen. Now, I don't know what you are waiting on to get this wig, because look at that lace. I know you guys are seeing it. Yes, you need it. Now let's put some curls to it. Let's take these out. So I purposely did this because I wanted the curls. It took a little minute, but hey. Child, tell me this curl is not looking good. Nadula, what did you do to this wig? Because why is our yucky texture holding the curl and looking like it's layered and it's not? I think I like the curl. So with that being said, we are going to keep the curls. Yes, it's more flowy. Look at that. And I love that it's like loose curls, but it's still bouncy the front. And so I did a side part. Like, let me tell you, when I do a side part and you curl it, nothing beats that. Now, yucky texture can hold a curl, and I always say when I'm using it, my iron is at 455 degrees. Now they recommend 400 to 450 degrees, but mine goes up to 455. And you guys saw when I curled this how there was no burning, no nothing. You smell, you don't see. You don't see, you don't smell. Okay? All right, anyway, I like it. I'm definitely keeping the curls. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you grab this wig. Link will be in the description. A code will be there, the direct link. It's no hassle. All you gotta do is click it. Okay? Click it. And I might have the link on the video as well, so you can shop through YouTube. All right? So just click the link. It's gonna be there. Super easy. It's very nice for the summertime, of course, because there's color in it. I love it. Love it. I'll definitely install this one again. Remember, it's 24 inches, Yaki straight texture, HD lace. The drawstring is there, so you can make it completely glueless. Now, thanks to Nadula once more for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Get the wig, okay? You need it, because why not? I love you guys. Bye.